Mumbai's skies will fall silent for 6 hours today. One of the busiest airports in India, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, is shutting both of its runways from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. for crucial pre monsoon maintenance. And if you're flying in or out of the city, this isn't just another technical notice, it could directly affect your travel plans. Airlines have issued advisories, flights may be delayed or rescheduled, and the ripple effect could be felt across major routes. But why exactly is this happening? Every year before the monsoon clouds roll in over Mumbai, this maintenance is carried out as a preventative safety measure. With over 1,000 acres of airside infrastructure, Mumbai's airports runway go through intense wear and tear. Specialists will inspect surfaces, repair weak patches, and ensure proper drainage systems are in place. This isn't just about smooth landings, it's about ensuring zero waterlogging, no skids, and full control even when it's pouring. And in Mumbai, when it rains, it pours. To give everyone time to prepare, a NOTAM, that's Notice to Airmen, was issued 6 months ago, allowing airlines to revise their schedules. So, if you haven't checked your flight status yet, this is your sign to do it now. Indigo, Akasa Air, and several other airlines have already informed passengers via social media and helplines. Some flights have been moved to early morning or later in the evening. Others may simply get cancelled, and Mumbai is seasonal disruption due to monsoon preparedness and strategic operation. Other airports like Kochi, Goa, and even certain sectors in the northeast have experienced scheduled maintenance closure around this time. So, even in recent weeks, flight services at Srinagar, Amritsar, and Jammu airports were suspended due to different operational concerns. All of this paints a larger picture. Aviation infrastructure in India is under pressure, and timely maintenance is not just necessary, it's critical. So, while the 6 hour shutdown may seem like an inconvenience, it's actually a sign of responsible aviation management. Because what's worse than a delay? A runway malfunction during the peak of monsoon, safety must come first, even if it means a temporary pause in the non stop city. So, here's the question: do you think enough is being done to prepare Indian airports for extreme weather, especially with climate patterns changing each year? And have you personally experienced a monsoon flight scare or airport shutdown? How did it affect you, and do you think the shutdowns are well communicated in advance? Let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to the Free Press Journal.